I serve. I serve the divine in many different ways. But there is no language that can be expressed. There is a listening. And in the deep listening, there's a feeling, an intuition, a guidance that comes. So how do we open? How do we open to connecting with our divinity, connecting with the divine? And that, my beautiful friends, is where I sit all the time. You know, how do I do this today or in this moment? And it's one thing to hear, it's another thing to listen. You know, we can hear what people are saying and we get it here, we get it in our mind, but we don't get it in our heart. And when I'm talking about listening, I'm saying, you know, sometimes we don't get the answers we want. We ask for the answers and we're like, I listened. I sat in my meditation this morning and I listened and nothing came, so that didn't work. It's interesting, we often fear what we don't know. We have such great fear of the unknown, and yet so much of what we're doing here now is the embracing of the unknown.